Top 10 Foods to Eat for a Healthy Heart. If you want to improve your heart condition, stick around as we discuss the top 10 foods to eat for a healthy heart. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and turn on the notifications bell. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are well known for their high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. They're particularly high in vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and support normal blood clotting. Vitamin K and nitrates, which are abundant in leafy green vegetables, may help lower blood pressure and enhance vascular function. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which have been found to lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and increase the function of blood vessel lining cells. Increasing your consumption of leafy green vegetables has also been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease in certain studies. According to research, consuming more leafy greens is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 2. Whole grains. Whole grains include all three nutrient-dense components of the grain: germ, endosperm, and bran. Whole wheat, brown rice, oats, rye, barley, buckwheat, and quinoa are examples of common whole grains. Whole grains include more fiber than refined grains, which may help lower bad LDL cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. Eating whole grains has been linked to lowered cholesterol and systolic blood pressure, as well as a decreased risk of heart disease. When selecting whole grains, make sure you thoroughly read the ingredients label. Words like whole grain or whole wheat denote a whole grain product, although wheat flour or multigrain may not. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are abundant in heart-healthy elements. Berries are also strong in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, which both contribute to the development of heart disease. Berries are high in antioxidants. Eating them has been shown in studies to decrease various heart disease risk factors. Berries could be a tasty low-calorie snack or a full snack. Try including a variety of them into your diet to get the benefits of their various health benefits. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are abundant in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to reduced cholesterol and a lower risk of heart disease. Avocados are packed in monounsaturated fats and potassium. They may assist you in lowering your cholesterol, blood pressure, and metabolic syndrome risk. Avocados are also abundant in potassium, a mineral that is beneficial to heart health. In fact, one avocado has 975 milligrams of potassium, which is around 28% of your daily requirement. A daily consumption of at least 4.7 grams of potassium can lower blood pressure by an average of 8.0/4.1 millimeters of mercury, resulting in a 15% lower risk of stroke. Number 5. Fatty fish and fish oil. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been widely researched for their heart health advantages. Fish oil and fatty fishes are rich in omega-3 fatty acids have been found to lower blood triglycerides, enhance vascular function, and lower blood pressure, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. If you don't consume a lot of seafood, fish oil is another way to get your omega-3 fatty acid. Other omega-3 supplements that are popular include krill oil and algal oil. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts contain a lot of fiber and micronutrients including magnesium, copper, and manganese. Walnuts may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and their consumption may be linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Including a few servings of walnuts in your diet may help protect against heart disease, according to studies. Interestingly, numerous studies have found that eating nuts like walnuts on a regular basis